What do you do with old prescription drugs? Chances are you flush them down the toilet. And that concerns people like Richard Harrison of the Northern Kentucky Water District.
Pharmaceutical compounds can ultimately enter the sanitary sewer system and then make their way to the wastewater treatment plants. And some of these compounds can make it through the wastewater treatment plant into the water system and then ultimately the public water supply.
Chemists have only found trace amounts of drugs in the water, but say that's too much. That's the environmental side, but there's a human component as well, because
we know that more teens abuse prescription drugs than any other illicit drug except marijuana, more than cocaine and heroin and methamphetamine combined.
That's why the Kenton County Alliance began the Dropbox program to keep free drugs away from teenagers.
It's more likely to come from the medicine cabinet of a family member, from a parent or grandparent who's obtained a prescription legally and just has some leftover tablets that they didn't need anymore and didn't have an outlet for disposal, so they've just remained in the family medicine cabinet.
On Wednesday, Bill Mark of the Northern Kentucky Drug Strike Force cleaned out the box at the Edgewood Police Department. It was full after being in place just 7 days.
Vicodin, OxyContin, Lortab, really the kind of prescription drugs that we're seeing a severe issue with the abuse of.
When a box was installed at the Erlanger Police Department, it was thought it might have to be emptied once a month. That was way off.
We had our little opening ceremony, opened the box on March the 1st. On March the 2nd, they had to empty it because it was full.
The drugs recovered from these boxes are cataloged by requirements and then incinerated. Bill Mark says that includes all personal information on the labels to prevent identity theft or prescription refills.